The Speaker of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Thomas A. Sangma, today inspected the new Assembly building at Mawdyangdyang and also took stock of the construction work. Following the inspection-cum-review meeting at Mawdyangdyang, the Speaker reaffirmed his commitment to completing the project at the earliest. The Speaker informed that they are trying to complete the project by July or August 2024, even as he added that they plan to hold the next autumn session of the new Assembly building of Meghalaya Legislative Assembly.
We had called different departments today. So we have taken various opinions from various departments. So the work is in good progress. We have put the deadline to complete this by July or August. We are targeting to start the next assembly here of the autumn session.
The Meghalaya government plans to